Hello children, welcome back in your online classes, class 5th subject English grammar. Today we have discussed in your previous chapter, the first chapter. Open it. The first chapter, the sentence and the phrase. And I am already explained this chapter and solve some exercise. So today we have discussing remaining exercise. Let's start now. Look here. Underline the phrases given in the exercise below. One has been done for you. First, Birbal was a man of wisdom. So, a man of wisdom. Underline. Second, the new admissions in school are from the countryside. From the countryside. Underline. Third, the sun sets in the west. In the west. Underline. Fourth, the beggar knocked at the door. At the door. Underline. Fifth, the thief ran into the house. Into the house, underline. And the sixth, outside the house it was raining heavily. It was raining heavily, underline. And the seventh, on Monday morning we have our class assembly in the basement. In the basement, underline. And 8, sit on the chair. On the chair, underline. Okay. The next, D, complete the sentence by adding a phrase from the help box. One has been done for you. So look at the help box में सारे वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं. The birds is in the nest. The horse is in its stable. I saw a chair made of wrought iron. Christmas is in December. The children are swimming in the pool. Next page. We eat chocolate eggs during Easter. We wore a turban made of silk. The wind blew with great force. Water is an extremely important part of our world. Children like books written by Enid Blyton. The old sage spoke words of wisdom. He lives in a hut made of straw. A stream used to flow beside the green meadow. Devika answered in a polite manner. Robert ran to the beach with the surfboard. I boiled water in the kettle. Okay. And the next is E. Take the most suitable phrase given in the brackets. I saw a rabbit with fluffy ears. A frog lays eggs in the pond. A farmer plows his fields. The bus takes the children to the school. The mighty cobra is a poisonous snake. My uncle loves his daughter dearly. We went to Nainital by car. We played badminton in the field. Mother bought me a new dress. I plucked the flower with lots of petals. So children, this lesson is complete now, and all the exercise is right in your copy. Okay, and learn it also. Thank you.